Amazon A+ content gave 100,000 books a sales boost of approximately 5.7%. Imagine walking into a bookshop, you spot a colorful picture book, and the cover grabs your attention, so you pick it up, flip it over to read the back cover, and then open it up to look through the pages. The illustrations are bright and beautiful. You notice a fun maze on one page. Suddenly, you're not just looking at a book, you are experiencing it. That hands-on moment helps you decide this book is worth buying. But online shoppers don't get that experience. They can't hold your book or turn the pages or see those special touches up close. That's where Amazon A+ content comes in. With A+ content, you can give readers a similar bookshop moment right on your product page by adding images of your illustrations, highlighting fun activities, showing off unique features and benefits. You're helping shoppers connect with your book in a more personal way. And when readers can see what makes your book special, they're far more likely to buy it. When parents, teachers, or librarians visit your Amazon book page, you have just seconds to grab their attention. And since they can't flip through your book like they would in a bookshop, it's up to you to show them what makes your book special. So with Amazon A+ content, it's a powerful tool that allows children's authors to create beautiful, interesting Amazon product pages with visuals, text, and strategic design. It's not just about making your page look pretty. Done well, A+ content helps readers understand why your book belongs in their hands or in their classroom. By combining smart design with details like showing off your book's themes, sharing praise from reviewers, or highlighting your author expertise, you can build trust and turn browsers into buyers. How to create Amazon A+ content that sells. The goal isn't to make your page look pretty. It's to help readers see why they need your book. Here are some practical ways to create A+ content that grabs attention and drives sales. Highlight what makes your book special. Does your book have sound buttons, flaps, or interactive elements? Show them off. Parents, educators, and gift buyers are always on the lookout for books that provide extra value. But what if your book doesn't have those features? No problem. You can still highlight other standout elements like illustration style, share a sample spread or two that shows off vibrant artwork or unique visual details, bonus content, point out activity pages, discussion questions, or learning resources that come with your book. Format details, highlight things like durable board pages, large print for early readers, or special hardcover edition. Emotional themes showcase meaningful messages about kindness, resilience, or friendship that connect with parents or educators. Writing style. If your book features rhyme, humor, or playful language, include a short excerpt to give readers a taste of your voice. Awards and endorsements. You can feature a badge or a quote from a notable reviewer or award recognition. Series connection. If your book is part of a series, create a visual that shows the whole collection. Whatever makes your book special, be sure to showcase that clearly. Use visuals to draw readers in. Pair short, interesting text with eye-catching images. Show a colorful interior spread, a zoomed-in detail of an illustration, or even a photo of your book in action, like a child enjoying the story. Strong visuals can grab shoppers and encourage them to click Add to Cart. Add a personal touch with author branding. A+ content is a great place to introduce yourself as an author. Share a little bit about your writing style, your mission, or what readers can expect from your books. This builds connection and trust, especially with parents, teachers, and librarians looking for standout stories. Guide readers with clickable links. If you have other books available, don't miss the chance to showcase them. Use links to direct readers to your other titles or your Amazon author store. This helps readers discover more of your work and encourages multiple purchases. By combining the right visuals with clear, inviting text, your A+ content can turn casual browsers into buyers and give your book the best chance to stand out. Amazon A+ content don'ts. Don't make your A+ content text too lengthy. This is a visual experience, especially for children's books. Too many paragraphs or long paragraphs won't be read and will turn people away. Make it easy to scan over so buyers can see the interests and benefits of your book at a glance. Don't use special characters and certain symbols like TM or the registered symbol. Don't include pricing, promotional details, or discounts. And don't give contact information. Don't use images that are currently published in the image gallery of the page already. Images and text must be unique to Amazon A+. How to add Amazon A+ content. Getting started with Amazon A+ content is very simple. Log into your KDP account, go to the Marketing tab, and select A+ Content Manager. Click Start Creating A+ Content and choose your book. Select your preferred modules. Options include image carousels, comparison charts, and text boxes. Add your content, preview it, and submit for approval. Take your time to choose the modules that best showcase your book's unique features. Even a few well-placed images can make a big difference. A pro tip is to tell a story using your A+ content, to tell a mini story about your book. For example, if your picture book teaches kindness, include an image with a caption like, "Follow Mia as she discovers the power of a simple act of kindness." This makes your book's theme clear while inviting readers to connect emotionally. Why a great cover isn't always enough. Some authors believe that if their book has a great cover and a persuasive description, that's enough to convince buyers. But in today's competitive online marketplace, those elements alone may not cut it. Amazon A+ content can be the difference between someone scrolling past your book or adding it to their basket. Readers shopping online can't flip through your book or experience its unique qualities firsthand, but A+ content helps bring those details to life. With A+ content, you can show off what makes your book special, like beautiful illustrations, fun interactive features, or even a peek inside the story itself. This added layer of detail builds trust and gives readers the confidence that they're choosing the right book. Think of A+ content as your secret weapon, a chance to answer a buyer's unspoken question. Why should I choose this book? When done well, it's a tool that turns window shoppers into buyers. In the real world, Amazon's own data shows that adding A+ content can increase sales by an average of 5.7%. This boost comes from giving shoppers a richer and more immersive experience on your book's product page. For example, featured authors on Weekend Publisher have successfully used A+ content to highlight key book features. By showcasing illustrations, features and benefits, and interactive elements, authors provide readers with a clearer sense of what their books offered. This extra detail can make all the difference in convincing buyers to buy. If you're looking for inspiration, Weekend Publisher offers real examples of how authors use A+ content effectively to improve their book pages. I'll put the link in the description below. Take a few minutes today to visit your KDP dashboard and explore the Amazon A+ content options. Bonus points for setting up your A+ content today. Think about your book's special features like beautiful illustrations, what your book teaches kids, or a special fun detail that you could showcase. Highlighting those extras might just be what a potential buyer needs to see. Taking the time to improve your book's Amazon page may feel like extra work, but those touches can make all the difference. So show potential book buyers what makes your book special by giving them a glimpse inside and more information about the book in a unique way. You've put so much heart into your book. Use Amazon A+ content to make it shine. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more practical guidance on writing, publishing, and marketing your children's books.